What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at else if statement. Now let's see how it works. First of all, I'm going to introduce an integer age. Int age is equal to 45, and I'm going to set a condition. If age is greater than or equal to 60, if age is greater than or equal to 60, then print this one. Let's say system dot out dot println you are a senior citizen. Senior citizen. And then else if else. Let's look at if else statement first, then we can look at else if statement. First we have if statement and the else statement. Let's put something else. Let's say you are a young buck. Okay, here what it's going to do is it's going to check the integer age is 45, and it's going to check this condition. If the age is greater than or equal to 60, it's going to print out this the first statement, you are a senior citizen. Else it's going to print you are a young buck. Since we have age 45, it means it goes under else, so it's going to print you are a young buck. Now let's run this one. Now it says you are a young buck. Now else if statement is basically you put it in the middle. Else if, let's set another condition, age is greater than or equal to 50. You put a system out statement. You are in your 50s. You are in your 50s. Now this condition satisfies if the age is greater than 50. So let's put 55 right here, because it's going to check first if the age is greater than 60. 55 is not greater than 60, so it goes to the else if. If the age is greater than 50, yes. So it's going to print out you are in your 50s. So it will stop right there. So let's go around. You are in your 50s. And for example, if I put 45, it will go to first one. Is the age is greater than 60? No. So it will not print this one. So it will go to the next one. You are in your 50s. No, because it's less than 50, because it's not greater than 50. And it will tell you are a young buck. Let's go and run. Like that, you can add as many as else if statement. Now let's go and do one more. Let's copy paste it right here, and here let's put 40. And here it's gonna say, if I put 40 right here, it's gonna say you are in your 40s, because it's going to check whether it's greater than 60. No. It goes to the next one. Is it greater than 50? No. Is it greater than 40? Yes. So it's going to print you are in your 40s, and it will not go to the next one. And that's how else if statement works. It's basically if you have if else statement, if you want to add more conditions, you can put else if statement, and that way you can do many things. I hope you guys make this video I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn Java programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.